This 2022 Grand Design Solitude 3950BH is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Egg Harbor City, New Jersey 08215 and is offered for sale by White Horse RV Center. This new Grand Design is 40 feet 4 inches in length and features 4 slideouts, sleeps 9, refrigerator, Colorado Detector, LP Detector, TV, slide-out, skylight, microwave, smoke detector, air conditioning, awning, and 91 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features bunk beds, bunkhouse, front bedroom, kitchen island, mid-kitchen, rear bath, rear bedroom, 2 bedrooms, 2 entry, exit doors, 2 full baths. The unloaded weight of this 2022 Grand Design Solitude 3950BH is 14,054 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by White Horse RV Center, visit RVUSA.com.